Yes or no?
Section 1.
Yes or no? Am I obliged to step out my car? Yes or no?
You're detained for a Section 1 search.
This is going on. This is gonna get taken further. I don't, mate.
Came over.
Radio your officers, please.
You're detained for a Section 1 search.
Radio your officers, because no, wait for your officers to come over here, because you're doing this illegally.
We're not doing this.
Exactly. He's doing this illegally.
Okay.
So talk to your officer. Because I will take this up fully, and you're gonna.
Today's video was brought to us by this channel. I will leave the link in the description. Give them the credit they deserve. A man was just chilling and having alone time in the car, minding his own business, when two police officers saw him and decided to approach him. When they near his car, they decided that it is their right to search his car without any reason, just to make sure that he is not a criminal. The man who was just minding his business asked them to leave him alone, but they refused and asked him to step out of the car. But because he knows his rights, he ultimately refused, stood his ground, and shuts the cops down.
Alright, you don't need to talk to me. And what are you doing here, Eva? You don't need to talk to me. You're gonna get rudeness. You don't need to come over and talk to me.
We're just having a walk around.
Alright, we'll walk around then. You don't need to come to me. What are you doing here?
We're just having an interaction with you.
Alright, I don't need to interact with you though. You need to walk on. Because I'm going to take this as harassment, so bye.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Be gone. Goodbye.
Right, enjoy the rest
Later. Exactly. Goodbye.
Mate, we're just.
Mate, walk off, man. Seriously, walk off. Mate, walk off. Would you like me to deem this as harassment? Yes or no? I don't come up to you, start talking to you. Walk, bro. I don't want to talk to you. Goodbye.
Is there any reason why you're here today?
Goodbye.
What's the reason we're here
Goodbye.
today? We're just having a little
Goodbye.
chat. No, we're here for a little
Goodbye.
chat. What's the reason you're here today, sir?
Are you going to force me to talk to you? Do I have to call? Do I have to pick up my phone and phone police that there's a random guy talking to me? I don't need to talk to you. I don't care. If you're breaking the law, you're breaking the law. You're harassing me. Now go away. I don't need to talk to you.
We're not breaking the law.
You are breaking the law. You're harassing me. You're not listening.
Harassing you, sir?
I'm harassed right now. I'm feeling threatened and alarmed right now.
Okay.
Right then, so go away. Leave me alone. I don't need to talk to you.
The cop here is clearly violating his rights to privacy. Right here, the cop is only asking what he is doing there, which he has the right to refuse to answer, because he has not violated any law or committed any crime.
You look like a twat on YouTube, you know. Is that what you want to do?
Mate, we literally just.
Bro, do you want to do that? Yeah, I don't. You come straight up to me. I filmed you straight away. So, what's it going to be? Are you going to walk off and take your dignity? Or are you doing like an absolute moron on YouTube? Because I promise you this is going up.
For what reason?
Alright, sit there then. I don't need to talk to you, bruv. Sit there.
We just come over. Just wanted to have a little friendly chat. That was all.
How many times do I have to say it? I don't need to talk to you. You're looking like a donut. Leave me alone. Move. Exactly. Go away.
You're sitting in a car park by yourself.
So what? I'm on the phone.
Are you on the, okay, we're just here.
Alright, you're just here, so why are you next to me?
By yourself.
Why are you next to me?
And then the way you're acting right now.
The way I'm acting right now is because you're flipping in my face and I don't need you here. You're in my face. Alright, go away, bruv. Bruv, go away.
We're just seeing what's going on in the area.
Bro,
that's what we're doing.
What's your name? What's your badge number, bruv? Because you're getting lit up. You flipping idiot, man.
And there's no reason for this.
Go away. Leave me alone. I don't need you here.
That's all we was doing.
Go. Do you have to go and get them to get you to fuck off, seriously? Because you're doing my nutting. Now, don't tell me about swearing as well, because I'm in my personal vehicle.
Just walking around the area.
Well, walk off then. Why are you stopping here?
We just wanted to see what you was doing in the area.
What are you doing in the area?
Like I said, we've come to the area. We're going to have a nice little patrol.
Alright, I don't have to answer to you, so go away.
Okay, but your demeanour, the way you're acting.
I don't care. I can act however I want to. I'm not under no policy. I can do what I want. Who cares?
The fact that we're in the area.
So what? You've annoyed me by breaching my peace. You don't need my ID.
I do need your ID.
Is that what you think? Why is that then?
I do need your ID.
Why is that?
Because I want to have a look and
you ain't getting my ID.
Okay.
You ain't getting my ID. Do you want to go and get your sergeant or an inspector down there for him to tell you? Right, go and get your sergeant then.
Okay. Can you step out the car for me?
I'm not getting out of my car. I don't have to get out of my car. I don't have to get out of my car.
Can you step out the car?
I don't have to get out my car. Am I obliged to step out my car? Yes or no?
At the moment,
yes or no?
He doesn't need to step out of the car because this is not a traffic stop. In a situation when a driver is parked and not driving, he doesn't need to show his ID or driver's license. Provision of identification can only be carried out during traffic stop. You can only provide your ID if the officer has a reasonable suspicion that you have committed a crime. But in this video, the cops have not stated that he committed any crime. Therefore, the uneducated cop is abusing his right and violating the law.
Yes or no?
Section 1.
Yes or no? Am I obliged to step out my car? Yes or no?
You're detained for a
Bro,
sex search.
this is going on. This is gonna get taken further. I go, mate.
Came over.
Radio your officers, please.
You're detained for a sex search.
Radio your officers, because no, wait for your officers to come over here, because you're doing this illegally.
We're not doing it.
Exactly, he's doing this illegally.
Okay.
So talk to your officer, because I will take this up fully, and you're gonna get done, mate. Because I do this all the time.
Sir.
Get an inspector down on your sergeant. Where's your sergeant?
Detained for a sex search.
Where's the reasonable grounds of suspicion that you're searching me? You can't just randomly stop people. Yeah, why am I in a car park? Because is it illegal to be here?
Right, the grounds for my search.
Is it illegal to be here?
It's not illegal to be here, no. But the grounds.
Well then.
Your demeanour when we came over.
Officer, can you get a sergeant here, please? He's illegally trying to detain me, to search me for no reason whatsoever.
No officer will detain a citizen who has not committed any crime except uneducated ones. Not long after, their tutor officer came to confuse the guy into giving up his rights, but still he stood his ground.
Do me a favour, sir. My name's PC Flair.
Oh, but I need a sergeant here, please, or an inspector.
No, just give me 2 seconds.
All right.
Okay. If you let me explain these grounds, I've not heard them. I don't know the grounds yet, do I? I don't know them. I don't know why he's done it. Let me explain. Do me one favour, right? I appreciate your perspective at this time, but let me hear these grounds, then I can make a decision from there. Okay? I'm a tutor officer. I'm here to make sure everything's done correctly and lawfully, okay? So if I can hear his grounds, and you can hear his grounds as well, he may have that law, give you that lawful authority as to what he's doing. I haven't heard anything yet, have I?
Can I say
I've
something?
literally just walked over.
Am I allowed to speak now?
Yeah.
Right then, so there's a man sitting in his car, in a car park, doing nothing on his phone. Your officers have walked up to me, trying to talk to me. I said, do not talk to me. I don't need to talk to you. And then I'm talking now. He spoke. I'm talking now. Yeah? He said he wanted to talk to me. I said, I don't want to talk. I'm on the phone. My girl's just pissing me off. There's nothing to do with you, so I'm here chilling out, yeah? He wants to come and search me. For what reason? I'm just sitting in the car park.
I didn't come up to you and say I wanted
You
to
just,
search
mate, the video's there. The video's there, bro. Listen, I'm talking. Because I said, leave me alone. Everything's on video. You can't lie. You can't, exactly. And have I broken the law by telling you to leave me alone? Well then, so I'm not in the mood to talk to you. I didn't call you. No crime's been committed here. So well then, I'm talking to you. No, it's not grounds for you. Alright, if you say it's grounds for you.
He's going to justify his grounds, sir.
Alright, yeah, so I've got it all on camera, so
that's fine. I'm not stopping filming it.
Alright then, so listen to what I'm saying. Because he wanted to come and talk to me, and I said, you don't need to talk to me. I said, go away, leave me alone, walk on, Hit the officer here, said, yep, cool, I'm gone. This officer here decided to carry on talking to me, and I said, bro, leave me alone, you're winding me up. I don't need to. You're not letting me because I don't want to talk to you or need to. There's no crime being committed here.
In the area.
What are you doing in the area? I don't have to talk to you. I don't have to. Alright, officer, look, you've just heard what I said. You've seen what I've been doing. When you rolled in and rolled out, I just sat here on my phone. Yeah, that's nothing to do with you, what I'm doing. I'm sure it's nothing to do with me, what you're doing either. Do you understand?
Yeah, I feel
so I just sat here. He's trying to come and search me now illegally. That is illegal.
It's not legal if he's built the grounds up on his own, isn't it?
Right, so
can you just give me 2 seconds?
I'll give you 2 seconds.
Okay? I'm an old man, knackered back, it's killing me.
I'll give you 2 seconds, mate, because you've been fair. This guy hasn't, and he was fair as well.
So a lot of the time, right, Brad, step back for a second, let me come around and speak to this gentleman. What's your first name, sir?
I don't need to tell you that.
You don't have to tell him, man.
I know I don't.
You don't have to.
He said I was obliged to do something I wasn't obliged to do as well.
Right.
He said I was obliged to get out.
Yeah, of course you can, no worries. Right? Look, so what's happened when somebody goes, I don't want to speak to you, what you got
everything on camera. I didn't start that.
No, if you say to somebody, I don't want to speak to you, you've got to think, well, hold on.
Is it illegal to say that?
I'm not saying it's legal, but then
I'm sitting here with my car wide open. I'm hanging out the car half naked. Bro, do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, this is excited. It's excited behaviour by a young officer. He just wants to prove something to you lot. And that's what's going on here.
I'm the tutor officer, okay? I'm his lead tutor. I'm in charge of them all today. Right? That's my job. Okay? I've come over and spoke to you because I could hear raised voices. Okay? He's giving you his grounds that you have been what have you said?
I haven't even sworn.
No, I've not seen you sworn.
What did you say, sorry?
The fact that when we came over you didn't want to talk to us one bit.
That's not illegal to want to talk to you. I don't have to talk to you, bro. How do I know more about policing than you do?
From the look of things, all the officers are trying to force him to give up his right, but he is smart and vehemently refused to give in to their intimidation. When the tutors saw that they can't crack the code, he finally decides to reason with the uneducated officer.
How do I know more about policing than you do? I don't have to talk to you. You need to understand that.
No, but we
I'm a member of the public.
I want to know
If
why
not,
you don't want to talk to us.
because I don't have to. I don't want
saying you
to.
have to.
I don't want to talk to you. Why do I have to talk to you? You can't force me to talk to you, bro.
You have to talk to us. But
So what you just said, you just asked, why don't I want to talk to you?
Yeah.
Because I don't have
I wanted to know why
to.
you-
Because I don't have to. I'm sitting here minding my own
Why are you
business.
sitting in the car in this.
Because it's my car.
I'm not, okay.
Bro, think about what you're doing. You just overstepped the mark a bit. There's someone here not doing absolutely nothing, and you are looking like a donut right now.
I just came over. I wanted to have a friendly chat.
And I said I don't want to have a conversation.
there has
And
raised-
all right, and then okay, but I don't have to talk to you. I don't have to talk to you.
not saying you have to.
Well then, so you're lying by saying your reasonable grounds for suspicion to search me is wrong. It's wrong. There's no reasonable grounds for suspicion for anything. No one's getting my details. No one's searching me because it is illegal.
It's not illegal.
Yes, it is illegal. It's illegal. It's illegal to search me. Where's the
that's
reasonable
not-
grounds for suspicion to search
I was
me?
about to tell
Is
you.
there a section 60 here?
There's not a section 60.
So where's the grounds of suspicion to
Sir,
search me?
sir, let him finish explaining his
There
grounds.
isn't any.
He's not. What you're doing is you're interrupting his grounds every 2 seconds.
There is no
Give me 2
grounds to search me.
seconds. Let him tell me why, and then I'll make
No,
that
there isn't.
decision.
If
All
I
right?
have to- If I have to phone my other phone and phone the police, because I know you're the police, and request
Yeah.
a sergeant down here, like who's a higher
There's
rank
going to
than
be
you lot.
no need for a sergeant, right?
all right.
Just give me 2 seconds,
No worries,
all right?
no worries, no
I
worries.
get where you're coming from.
can-
Can you just do me a
What's that
favour?
then?
Okay, under section 165, 163,
Yes.
164 of the Road Traffic Act, I can require your name.
If I
okay?
was driving,
No,
Yes.
you're in a car and it's a public space.
if I was driving,
You're in a car, you're in the driver's sir, you're in the driver's seat, you're in a public space.
ignition's off.
Okay?
Throwing
Okay,
on the
doesn't
record, the
matter.
engine-
Doesn't
the
matter.
ignition's
I can
off.
still require your details. I'm not asking that, am I? Did I say I require?
not, but-
Did I say
not,
I require your details? No. But what I'm asking is, can you do me a favour?
All right, I'll be
just
quiet.
so there's no
I'll be quiet.
issues or
I'll be quiet.
shouting and screaming. Can you do me a favour? Can you pop your keys on the roof so I can see them?
Bro, it's electronic. The car will start anyway.
They'll laugh watching the keys fly off the roof when you drive off. Cheers.
Yeah, you
Of
can have the
course,
keys, you
of
can
course, you're a sensible person. You're not going to do something stupid
I
like that.
don't
are you?
need to run away. Like,
Give me 2 seconds,
Alright,
alright?
go on
I'm
then,
just
go
going
on
to take my officer at the back of the car. I'm going to have a chat
Can I
with
film
him.
it?
If you want,
Thank you, because
Yeah?
I need it for the evidence.
for him trying to do his job. Bear with me, okay?
He's trying to do his job illegally. I never said you did or your other officer did.
Bear with me, alright? Just bear with
I
me.
know what's legal and
2
what's
seconds.
illegal. Thank you very much.
Okay?
I'll
Cheers.
stay quiet. I'll stay quiet. I'm fine, mate. I'm fine. Leave me alone. So now, when your girlfriend's doing your nutting and you just come out to just have a chill, and then there's police getting up your ass for no apparent reason.
Oh,
is that
I'm
not
doing
gonna
nothing
piss you
with
off?
your ass, sir,
Not
me.
Not you.
Oh,
not
my
you.
Lord.
Not you. Not you. I didn't
He's
say
gonna,
you.
right, what are we going to do, okay?
Go on then.
We're going to confirm right person, right car. Is the car yours? Is it owned by you? Is it registered to you?
All right. Do I have
Is
to
it-
answer those questions? I'm sure you can. I'm sure you can find out without me answering them questions.
Yeah,
on
no, no.
PNC,
But all I
and
need
on
to
PNC
do-
on by the reg, you can see if it's stolen.
Yeah,
if
that's what we're
taxes
going to go and
insured.
do, okay? We're going to go and do that.
Exactly.
He's going to go do that now. I'm going to stay with you and we're
No,
going to
you can stay with me, and when you search the bridge, you'll see it's insured. Then you can PNC me by name. Then you know who I am. But I don't have to tell you. Exactly. Why am I doing your job for you then, cuz? You could have done that.
In a remarkable turn of events, the officers, once resolute in their mission to strip away the man's rights, found themselves moved by the power of reason and the tutor's ability to humanize the situation. Realizing the error of their ways, they departed the scene, leaving the man standing tall, his rights intact. Subscribe to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.